to practice self-care with everyone spending a lot more time at home. It's a great opportunity to invest time in caring for your skin, especially now that we're hand washing so frequently. And hand washing impairs the skin's barrier and causes drying, cracking, and irritation. And those with sensitive skin or eczema know that it can exacerbate those conditions. So to help combat this dryness and sensitivity, it's really important to use a product with ceramides. Ceramides are lipids that are naturally found in our skin and help keep moisture in and irritants out. And they're vital for restoring the skin's protective barrier and maintaining hydration. I love this moisturizing cream from CeraVe. CeraVe is the #1 dermatologist recommended skincare brand, and this was actually developed by dermatologists. It's super rich and has 3 essential ceramides to help repair the skin barrier, and it also has hyaluronic acid to help replenish hydration. I use it after every hand wash because my hands get super dry. It's great for your entire body too. I suggest keeping a stash in your bathroom and moisturizing right when you get out of the shower to lock in that hydration. The cream is also accepted by the National Eczema Association, and you find it right at the drugstore and on Amazon.